we get started with this video, I need to tell you about my excuses for the images that are about to come up. When I decided to do the Airfix conversion from the F6 to the T7, I was going to video it. I managed to get hold of one of the kids' cameras they had years ago. I thought I'd use that, and I did. They must have been at the 6 stages that were going to happen. 5 were done and finished, about 15-20 minutes each, and they were actually loaded on YouTube. And it was only afterwards that it dawned on me that they were terrible quality, everything about them. So I pulled them all off. That was 3 or 4 months ago. So I've decided to go back to it because there's been such an interest with the conversion, and take stills from the actual video. So this is the point I'm getting to. The quality of the stills isn't brilliant compared to previous images that we've had on videos. So there's my excuse. Take it or leave it. Hopefully and thankfully the final images are of better quality. So it'll give you an idea of the process I went through to get to the end results, which is really what it's all about. And I think they're clear enough to show you that. So hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully you like the end results. Thank you.